Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find work from home jobs on Indeed. So let's get right into it. But before I do, let me just quickly explain what Indeed is. Indeed is a website / service / application which you can use to find jobs if you're a job seeker or to find employees if you're an employer. It is very similar to LinkedIn in the sense that if you're a job seeker, you can create your own online resume. You can search for jobs based on keywords, titles, based on the specific company where you want to work, and so on and so forth. And if you're an employer, as I've said, you can put up job postings to which those same job seekers will apply, and then you can manage them easily through Indeed's own in-app manager for applicants. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics of the application, but as I've said, I'll show you how to find specific work from home jobs on, excuse my mobile phone. But yeah, I'll be explaining to you how you can find work from home jobs on Indeed. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account, and when you first log in, you will have the choice of either choosing a job seeker or an employer, depending on what you want to search for. If you want to search for jobs, you'll pick job seeker, and this is the page you'll get to. As you can see, you can search for jobs based on what the jobs are and certain keywords, or you can choose based on location. But what we want to do is choose based on keywords, and as you can see, one of the keywords is work from home. So just input that, click search, and a list of jobs will appear. Once you find a job that you like, just apply for it, click on it, click apply from company site, fill out an application, and you're done. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time.